In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create a study guide using ChatGPT Atlas. Whether you're a student gearing up for exams or just someone looking to organize your knowledge, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and effective. First, you'll want to open up ChatGPT Atlas. This tool is fantastic for breaking down complex topics into understandable segments that can easily be transformed into useful study materials. Think of it as your digital assistant, ready to help detail the information you need at a moment's notice. Once you have ChatGPT Atlas open, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top. Here, you are going to type in water cycle. The water cycle is a fundamental concept in environmental science, covering the continuous movement of water within the Earth and atmosphere. By searching for this, you'll retrieve loads of helpful information that lays the groundwork for creating a comprehensive study guide. After typing water cycle into the search bar, the next step is to click on the website that appears in the results. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial as it takes you to the specific information you need to process. Make sure the connection is stable and that all the information you see aligns with what you're looking for. With the main topic up on your screen, shift your focus to the sidebar, a valuable feature of ChatGPT Atlas. Here, you have the opportunity to create a prompt. In this case, you'll be typing, "Turn this into a study guide." By creating a prompt, you're instructing the system to reorganize and present the information in a format that is optimized for studying. This step is where the magic happens, as the content will be tailored into an easily digestible format, perfect for reviewing and reinforcing your understanding. The last thing to do is click Submit. This action initiates the prompt processing in ChatGPT Atlas, leading to the generation of your study guide. It's like pressing a button on a photocopier. You're effectively producing a new resource that's aligned with your learning objectives. After clicking Submit, take a moment to allow the system to process your request, and soon you'll have a neatly organized study guide at your disposal. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a tailored study guide using ChatGPT Atlas. With these simple steps, you can transform huge amounts of information into bite-sized pieces that are much easier to digest and review. Remember, while technology offers these amazing shortcuts and tools, it's still up to you to engage with the material regularly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy studying!